Final round AI versus Chatgpt. Full guide. I'm going to tell you the real difference between final round AI and Chatgpt. Final round AI is specialized AI interview coach. It's built for job seekers, especially in tech or consulting, who want to practice behavioral and case interviews. It stimulates interview scenarios, gives feedback, and tracks your progress. If your goal is to ace real interviews, final round is focused and practical. ChatGPT, on the other hand, is a general purpose. It can help with interview prep too, but only if you guide it. It's more flexible. You can role play interviews, generate answers, and refine your resume. But you won't get automatically feedback or structured drills unless you build that yourself. So, final round AI is like a personal trainer for interviews. ChatGPT is like a gym with all the tools, but you need to know how to use them. If you're serious about prepping for interviews and want structure, go with final round. If you want freedom, versatility, and broader AI help, stick with ChatGPT. Different focus, use both if you can.